From the beginning of our A Greater Degree of Good sustainability program, where we set ambitious goals for 2025 around our products, processes, and people, we've been ramping up our efforts to protect the planet we share, and we're proud to be amplifying our positive impact all over the world. In 2022, we launched the all-new high-efficiency Endeavor line with more heat pumps, while expanding the Proterra line of heat pump water heaters to include industry-first plug-in models. And we increased our focus on promoting widespread adoption of sustainable heat pump technology in the push toward decarbonization. We continued the rollout of our Sustainability Standout Seal to help our customers find the best of the best. Across North America, we kicked off our energy management program to identify projects that will reduce greenhouse gas emissions in our operations. Our impact continued to grow as our plants achieved an average landfill diversion rate of more than 85% in 2022. By building on our momentum and increasing the reach of our training, we're spreading our sustainability message around the globe, which helped us achieve and exceed our first 2025 goal years early. And we're just getting started, working with our worldwide network of customers and partners, combining our passions to build a sustainable future, together amplifying our impact so we can all deliver an even greater degree of good.